right here I am stretching the hair out, and I'm going to break them into 2 pieces, and I'm going to use one of the strands for this part right here. I'm using the gel by Shine and Jam. Yeah, so right now I'm parting my hair, and I'm going to use that same gel that I just showed you, put it on the roots of my hair, and then twist the hair so it'll be easier for me to grip it. As of right now, I'm going to be using my real hair as a 3rd strand and braid it down until the hair is secure enough, like right now I'm about to show you. So for right here, I'm going to be splitting my real hair into 2 pieces and gel them with the twist hair. And once I'm done that, I'm going to roll the hair between my index finger and thumb as I twist down. I want to roll and twist, roll and twist, roll and twist, and I'm hoping it makes sense as you watch this go on. Right here I'm cutting the hair so it won't be too long, and I'm going to use the gel and put some right at the end after I'm done cutting it. Right now I'm going to show you how I do it again. Again, I put the gel at the tip of my root and twist it a little bit so it'll be easier for me to grip it. And I'm going to use the twist hair and use my real hair as a 3rd strand, and I'm showing you this in slower motion and showing you how I braid it down just a little bit until I feel like it's secure enough. So again, I'm going to use my real hair and split it into 2 and make sure it's in between the other 2 strands of the twist hair, and I'm going to gel it down with it, as you see right there. And again, I'm going to use my index finger with my thumb, roll and twist, do the same thing to the other side, roll and twist, do the same thing over and over again until we get to the end. And if you want to do the same hairstyle as I did, because I wanted more of a fuller look, I suggest to get at least 4 packs of this hair. I ran out of hair in the middle of me doing it, so I did go to my beauty supply store and got an extra pack of spring twist, which is why I said have an extra pack just in case if you want the fuller look.